everyone, it's me, Tall Black, and today I'm going to show you how to make a community post. Now, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Then you're going to have to wait like a week, because mine took like a week. So like 1 week has passed, and here we are now. I can make community posts. So yeah. Now, keep in mind, this will not be a... You cannot do this in YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is just to check your channel, but not your community post. Now, back to what we're doing. Okay, you can go over here. You see you see the underline one is called community, and you can see a community post. Yeah. And here's my first one. Yeah, I finally unlocked the community tab, and it's all thanks to you. Thanks for 1,000 subscribers. How do you, and here's my second one. How big do you think Godzilla Earth is? Which monster first monster is your favorite? They're both going to like this. Godzilla and VI49. Those are one of my favorite YouTubers. And a battle request. Godzilla versus Godzilla Ultima. Who will win? Explain why. Yes, you can schedule a post. But right now I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, you hold on. You click here above that says, post an update to your fans, and sometimes it will change. Like, what's on your mind? Give a shout out. The thing to mention the channel. Sneak peek or share sneak peek on your next video. And I think there's another one. Share a behind the scenes photo. Yeah. Anyways, let's click here. And then we're gonna click here. You can add options. You can also title them. I don't know what I'm doing. Please don't ask me. Now there's two different type of ways to make a community post. I could say hi, and then I can choose options. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi. And I said hello. What's up? Not answering. And then yeah, that's what I'm doing. I could say and all I have to do is post. Hi, I say hi, what's up? Hello, not answering. And then if you want to share a photo, we just did the which one you want to choose, like this one. Oh yeah, I can't choose it because I'm the creator of the post. And let me vote here, but not here. Anyways, as I was doing, oh yeah, I forgot to mention something. You can also do like doing this. Yeah. So if you want to share a photo or even more than one photo, I'll go here. You can choose some of the photos you want to choose. Yes, you can. I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one. And you only can use up to 5 photos. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, and then 5. Yep. Those are my Godzilla figures. And then you can tap to edit them like this. Ba-doom. There we go. Side by side. And then now you can write a message. Here's my Godzilla. And oh great, not blue Goji. Burn. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to spell burn. Burning Godzilla figures side by side. And then and all I have to do now is collect posts. And if you select this, you cannot select any other one because you can only use up to 5 photos. And then if you're done, just click post. And it will, show up. Also, you can comment about it. You can share it, but I won't do that. You can like it, you can dislike it, whatever you want to do with the post. But you cannot delete it because I am the owner of this YouTube channel. And also, you can, schedule that, but I think you already know how this works. So, yeah, here, that's a community post. And, yeah, that's how you make a community post. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that. How many subscribers do I have? 1,130 subscribers. I want to get to 1.5 thousand subscribers. You know what that means? 1,500 subscribers. Let's head for that. Let's go. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Bye.